Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to QuickBooks Online for bookkeeping-driven growth decisions, complete guide step-by-step clearly. Visit the QuickBooks Online website. On the home page, locate the Plans and Pricing section. Click the Plans and Pricing button to view the available subscription options. Review the different plans to find one that best suits your business needs. Select the plan you want by clicking the Buy Now or Try Free for 30 days button. If you choose the free trial, you may be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address to start your free trial. Follow the prompts to set up your account by creating a password. Complete the registration form with your business information. Add your billing details, even for the trial period. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them. Click the Create Account or Sign Up button to finalize the registration process. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after signing up. Check your email for the confirmation link and click it to verify your account. Once verified, log into QuickBooks Online using your email and password. You will be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you can customize your settings and connect your bank account. Begin setting up your bookkeeping categories and preferences tailored to your business. Explore the various tools and features available for managing your finances effectively. Utilize reporting features to make informed growth decisions for your business. Start tracking expenses and income to monitor cash flow regularly. Leverage this data to adjust your business strategies as needed. Now you are equipped to use QuickBooks Online for bookkeeping-driven growth decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.